Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel new Iballdesigningdeveloper. Developer. Like in the previous videos we have done many of the things using Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and we have also built an amazing social media. You can say we have just built an amazing chat application using many different languages like React, Node.js and all that stuff. So with that we are also building the projects using DSA in Python and Python Artificial Intelligence. So today we are building an amazing project using Python in Artificial Intelligence, and today I will be telling you how to build an amazing user system using Python in artificial intelligence. So if you enjoy this video and if you like this, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how to build this project here, and from start what things we will be using in this amazing user system which we are building through Python in artificial intelligence. So just like I'm telling you, today we are just building an amazing project using Java. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this project. So for this, I will be opening new window here. And after opening the new window, I will be closing my previous window, and then I will be opening my folder from here, which is on desktop. So you can see here is my folder social media button in Java, which I have now opened. So here I will be now moving to my main file, and then I will be removing these all main codes which we are getting in this. Then after removing, just you have to save this all stuff, and then we have to create a body tag here. So here we have to only create the open tag. Now after creating this, just you have to save it and move to your styling file. Here also we have to remove that all stuff, only the font family stuff will be here because we will be needing that. Now after doing this, you have to open this file in the default Google Chrome browser. So you can see here I have opened my file. Then I will be doing it side by side so I can get my codes at the left, and at the right we should be getting our interface side. After doing that all stuff, in the body tag, I will be now creating a class. So here you have to move at the top and create a class of container in the body tag. Then you have to write here div class of wrapper here, and write here div class icon, and write here Facebook like this. And you have to now just move down, write here div class, and after writing the class here you have to write pop-up, and then write here Facebook like this. And then you have to now just move down like here, write here spend tag. Then I will be writing class fa Facebook. Then I will be now writing here f. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to move down, then create a div class of icon Twitter, and then you have to write here div class and write pop-up like this. And after writing this, you have to now just write here Twitter, and then you have to move down and write here spend tag like this, I tag, write here class which should be fa Twitter, and then you have to move down. And after moving down, just here you have to directly create another icon which should be like icon. Then I will be writing here Instagram, write here div class and write pop up like this, and write here Instagram like this. Then you have to just directly move down, right here spend tag, I tag class, and write here fa Instagram like this. Now when you've written this, create another div class which should be icon, and I will be now writing here GitHub. Then you have to write here div class pop up, and here I will be now writing the name as GitHub here. So now after writing this, you have to move down, right here spend tag, I tag class fa. Then I will be writing GitHub. Then you have to create a icon which is called LinkedIn. So I will be now creating LinkedIn icon. Right here div class pop up. Then here also I will be writing LinkedIn. Then you have to now move down, right here spend tag, I tag, and then you have to create a class here fa. Then I will be writing LinkedIn. Then you have to now directly move after this. You can see here we have to save it and then reload. You can see now we are getting all that stuff here. Now we have to style this stuff as well. So here for styling, you have to now just write here this tag and give here the margin first of all, which should be 0. Then give here padding 0, and then I will be writing here the box sizing should be border box. Then write here container. In container, I will be now writing the height should be 100 ph, and write here width should be 100 pw. And then you have to write here display grid. Then I will be writing here place items. Then write center, and write here font family. So we have just put the Poppins font family, so I will be writing Poppins comma sans serif. Then write here background linear gradient, and write here 315 degree, and write here a tag which will be like white, and write here D7E1EC. Then close it and write here wrapper, and then you have to now write here display which should be inline flex. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be moving down, write here wrapper icon, and write here position related. Then I will be writing here background color which should be white like this, and right here border radius which should be like 50%, and right here padding 15 pixel. Then after writing this tag, you have to now just directly do one thing. You have to give here the margin 10 pixel and right here width 50 pixel. And then here I will be writing height 50 pixel and right here font size 20 pixel. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here display flex and right here justify content should be in center. Then I will be writing here align items. So right here align items in center. Then I will be now writing here flex direction which should be column, and right here like box shadow which should be 0 10 pixel 10 pixel RGBA right here 0 0 0.1. Then here you have to write cursor which should be like pointer. So I will be now writing this right here transition all 0.2 s cubic. Then I will be now writing Bezier 0.68 and right here minus 0.55. So here I will be writing then comma 0.265 comma 1.55. Then close it. Then you have to write here wrapper dot pop up like this, and right here position absolute, and right here top should be 0. Right font size should be like 14 pixel and background color should be white. Then when you've written this, you have to directly write here color should be white as well. And then you have to write here padding 5 pixel. So I will be now writing here save it, and then you have to reload. So you can see now it is styling now, so we have to now style it more so it should be looking more good. So after making this like this, you have to give here the border radius, and in border radius I will be writing 5 pixel. Give here box shadow, so I will be now writing here box shadow of like 0 10 pixel 10 pixel again RGBA 0 0 0.1. Then you have to directly write here opacity 0 and write here pointer events which should be none. Then you have to write here transition on 0.3s cubic Bezier, and here I will be writing 0.68 and write here minus 0.55. Then comma 0.265 comma 1.55. Then you have to directly move down, write here wrapper pop up and write here before. And after writing this tag, you have to write here position absolute. So here I will be writing this, then write here content, and then you have to close it. After writing, you have to give here height 8 pixel, width 8 pixel, and write here background color which should be white again. Then when you've written this, you have to directly write here bottom minus 3 pixel now. So here I will be writing bottom minus 3 pixel, and then you have to directly write here left also should be 50%, and write transform should be translate. Right here minus 50% and right rotate should be like 45 degree. Then you have to now write here transition which should be like all 0.3s cubic Bezier. So I will be now writing this 0.68 comma minus 0.55 comma 0.265 comma 1.55 like this. Then you have to write here wrapper. So I will be now writing here wrapper dot icon hover, and I will be writing here pop up like this and write top minus 45 pixel and write here opacity 1. Then when you've written this, you have to write here visibility hidden, and then here when you've written this thing, just you have to write here pointer events should be. So here I will be now writing pointer event should be auto like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here wrapper dot icon and write here hover span. So here I will be now writing here dot wrapper icon hover. Then you have to write here pop up like this and write here text shadow. So here I will be writing 0 pixel minus 1 pixel 0 pixel RGBA 0 0 0.1. Then you have to now directly move down, write here wrapper dot Facebook and write here hover, and then you have to now write here wrapper dot Facebook, and then you have to write here hover and write pop up. Then when you've written this, you have to directly move down, write here wrapper Facebook and write here hover, then write here pop up and write before like this. And after writing before, you have to write here background color should be like 3B 5999. So here I will be now writing this and write here color should be white like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here wrapper dot Twitter, and I will be writing here hover comma write here wrapper dot Twitter, and then I will be now just writing here like this tag, and then I will be writing here hover dot pop up like this and write here comma, then write here wrapper dot Twitter, and I will be now writing here hover dot pop up again and write here before. So I will be writing this and write here background color, and in background color I will be now just writing here C1 F6. Then you have to directly write here color of text should be white. Then you have to move down, and after moving down, just you have to now copy this thing here, and then you have to paste it 2 times. You can see here we have done. Just I will be doing one change here, like I will be writing here Instagram. Here also I will be writing Instagram. So here you have to write, and then you have to now directly move down, and here also we will be writing Instagram like this. Save it, then reload. You can see now we are getting hover effect on Facebook like this, then Twitter, Instagram, and we are also getting here, you can see like this. So when you are getting this all stuff here, I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be changing the color effect. I will be writing here E1306C like this. Save it here, and then you have to move here down and write here GitHub. So I will be now moving here and writing here GitHub like this, and then you have to write here GitHub as well. So here I will be writing, then here also you have to write GitHub. Then you have to now just change the color here. So I will be now writing here the color should be like this. You can see we have written this. Then you have to directly move down and write here dot wrapper, means same thing. So I will be pasting it. Then I will be writing here LinkedIn like this, and then move down, and here also I will be writing LinkedIn here like this. Then you have to move down and write here LinkedIn. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to change the background color here as well to 0077V5. Save it, then reload. And after reloading, if I show you, you can see now we are just getting a hover effect in all the buttons, means our social media button has a style, and we are getting the beautiful effect in all the buttons here, you can see. So this was the project which I want to show you of social media buttons which we have built using Java. So I hope you understand how we have built this project, and I hope you enjoy this project which we have built. So if you have enjoyed this video and if you understand this project, you remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, the notification bell, so more people can learn about these things, and they can also take benefit of these amazing things which we are building here. So I will be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.